cup of your cold water and add your vodka in there. Add vinegar. Different bowl, add your eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Add your eggs into your water mixture. Cut your butter into cubes. Add flour into your food processor. Add your butter. We're looking for nice and sandy consistency. Add a little bit of your egg mixture and keep mixing it until it's all combined. Place your dough onto your cling film and we're going to wrap that and leave that in the fridge for about an hour and a half. Take each piece of the dough and roll it into a ball. So I'm going to use the back of my baking dish. I'm going to add some flour on top and we're going to roll out our dough on here straight away because it's very thin and we can't really transfer it. So just place your dough and slowly roll it out. Use a plate or anything that's a circular shape to make sure your cake is exactly the same. So just press on top. Then go around the circle with your knife. And we are going to keep all the sides, so just push them away and we're going to cook them together. Then we need to prick our pastry so it doesn't puff up. The more pricks you do, the better it will be for the pastry. Here it is, last cake layer. So now I've got 12 nice round layers. Now we're going to assemble our cake. I've lined it with some cling film on the bottom. Then we add our second layer and we repeat the process until all the layers are covered in cream. I'm adding my last layer on top. The next thing we're going to do is cover it with a lid. So take any pan lid that you have in a house and just press down on the cake. And I'm going to wrap it again in cling film and place it into the fridge. Okay, I just got my cake out. I'm just going to unwrap that. So I have kept all the scraps from the cake, so we're just going to blitz them. And we're going to cover it from all the sides. And then we're going to do the same on top. So here it is, nice and done, so beautiful, look at that. So you can serve it like this, but I like to decorate it with some melted chocolate and maybe some fresh berries on top. It just makes it look so much more celebratory.